Question number 1. Find the radian measures corresponding to the following degree measures. First part is 25 degrees. We know that 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radians. Therefore, 25 degrees will be equal to 25 into pi by 180 radians, which will be equal to, हम 5 से इसको कट कर सकते हैं. So therefore it will give us 5 pi by 36 radians. Now the second part is given as minus 47 degrees 30 minutes. We know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds and 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore 1 minute will be equal to 1 by 60 degrees. राइट तो हम सॉल्यूशन में लिख सकते हैं -47 30 मिनट्स को कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे, डिवाइड बाय 60 और ये पूरा क्या बन जाएगा हमारा डिग्री, करेक्ट, विच विल बी इक्वल टू -47 1/2 डिग्री. अब इसको हम कन्वर्ट कर देंगे इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में. 47 इंटू 2 प्लस 1 विल बी -95/2 डिग्रीज. अब हमें डिग्री को रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो वी नो दैट 1 डिग्री इज इक्वल्स टू पाई बाय 180 रेडियंस. देयरफॉर -95/2 डिग्रीज विल बी इक्वल टू -95/2 इंटू पाई बाय 180 रेडियंस, विच विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस, हम इसको 5 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, राइट. देयरफॉर 19 पाई by 2 into 36, which will be equal to -19 pi upon 72 radians. Got it? Now the third part is given as 240 degree. Therefore we know 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radians, which will give us 240 degree is equals to 240 into pi by 180 radians. So what we can do is we can cut 0 and then 3 8s and 3 6 4 3. So therefore it will give us 4 pi by 3 radians. Now the next part, 520 degrees. We know that 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radians. Therefore 520 degrees will be equal to pi by 180 into 520. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम 0 से 0 कट कर सकते हैं, विच कैन बी रिटन एज 26 पाई बाय 9 रेडियंस. ये रेडियन लगाना या ना लगाना आपकी चॉइस है. Find the degree measures corresponding to the following radian measures. We have to use pi is equals to 22/7. The first part is 11/16 radians. We know that 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi degree. So therefore 11/16 will be equal to 11/16 into 180 by pi degree, which can be written as 11/16 into 180 by 22 into 7. 45 into 7 315 by 8 डिग्रीज. अब हम क्या करेंगे, खाली डिग्री भी तो हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे, राइट. तो हम 315 को डिवाइड करेंगे 8 से, विच विल गिव अस 3 8 3 24 75. So 8 9 72, 3 will be left. What we can write it as 39 3 by 8 degrees. Now we know that 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. So 39 degrees 3 by 8 into 60, 4 by 60 minutes. So 39 degrees 15 3 is a 45 by 2 minutes. 45 by 2, 2 2 is a 4, 5 2 2 is a 4, 1 left. So 39 degree 22 minutes and 1/2 seconds and 1/2 minutes. Now 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Therefore, 39 degree 22 minutes and 1 by 2 into 60 seconds. Therefore, it will be equal to 39 degree 22 minutes and 30 seconds. Now the next part is minus 4 radians. 1 radian is equals to 180 degree by pi. That means minus 4 radian will be equal to minus 4 into 180 by pi, and instead of pi what we can write is 22 by 7. Therefore, it can be equal to minus 2 into 180 into 7 by 11 degrees. Minus 2520 by 11 degrees. 2520 divided by 11. 11 2s are 22. 3 left. 32. That means 2s are 22. 10 left. 0. 100. 9s are 99. 1 left. Minus 229 degree 1 by 11 degree. 1 by 11 should be converted into minutes. 1 degree is equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So therefore, what we can do is into 60 minutes. 60 by 11 minutes. Now we are going to divide 5s of 55. 5 left. So instead of 60 by 11, what we can write is 5 by 11 minutes. Therefore, minus 229 degree 5 minutes 5 by 11 minutes. So 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Therefore, if we want to convert it into seconds, we have to multiply it by 60. Minus 229 degree 5 minutes 300 by 11 seconds, which is equals to 300 by 11. 7s are 77. 3 left. 0.0. 2s are 22. 8 left. Again 7. Give us 80. Therefore, it will be 77. 3. It will keep on going. That means we can round it off to 27 seconds. Third part. 5 pi by 3. So therefore, it will be equal to 5 pi by 3 into 180 degree by pi. We can cut pi by pi. It will give us 5 into 180 by 3 degrees. 5 into 60 degrees, which will give us 300 degrees. Here is the last part. 7 pi by 6 will be equal to 7 pi by 6 into 180 degree by pi, which will be equal to 7 into 30 degree, 210